Good morning guys. Today is our 11th year. Actually first time na mo, no? Maraming chances na makapunta sana doon pero alam namin na nandyan lang kasi. So yeah, we decided to go there para maiba naman. Sobrang layo, no? Sobrang layo. Ay, malapit lang, no? Sa Biwako.
We've always wanted to go there. And finally, we're going to celebrate our 11th year anniversary. God is good, faithful,
Yeah.
in everything.
There are so many things to be thankful for. Year 2024, no? Daming challenges. Every year naman maraming challenges, eh, no?
There's only one thing constant. God is faithful.
God is faithful, yes. And yeah, constant din yung change. So, my principle is always, we need to be ready always kasi yung maraming mga pagbabago. Hindi natin, change is constant. Medyo na traffic tayo dun mga kapatid.
Welcome to Biwako Valley. The runway cabin may swing when passing the support towers, so please hold on to the handrails or straps.